Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing an important topic that often sparks debates in the rental community: who is responsible for cleaning in between tenants? Whether you're a landlord or a tenant, understanding your obligations when it comes to cleaning between tenants is crucial for a smooth rental experience. Let's dive in and shed some light on this matter. As a tenant, you may wonder about your cleaning responsibilities before moving out. Generally, tenants are expected to leave the rental property in the same condition as when they first moved in. This means cleaning the living areas, kitchen, bathroom, and any other spaces they used during their tenancy. Some specific cleaning tasks may include: 1. Cleaning and sanitizing kitchen appliances, countertops, and cabinets. 2. Vacuuming or mopping floors and carpets. 3. Removing personal belongings and trash. 4. Ensuring the bathroom is thoroughly cleaned, including fixtures and mirrors. 5. Patching up any small holes or damages caused during their stay. On the other hand, landlords have their own set of expectations when it comes to cleaning between tenants. While tenants are responsible for basic cleaning tasks, landlords are usually responsible for more extensive cleaning and repairs to prepare the property for the next tenant. These tasks often involve: 1. Conducting a thorough inspection of the property after the tenant moves out. 2. Deep cleaning of carpets, windows, and other hard-to-reach areas. 3. Repairing any significant damages caused by the previous tenant. 4. Repainting the walls if necessary. 5. Ensuring all appliances are in good working condition. Clear communication between the landlord and tenant is essential to avoid misunderstandings and disputes. Before moving out, tenants should discuss with the landlord or property manager to understand the specific cleaning expectations. Likewise, landlords should provide a move-out checklist or guidelines to help tenants meet their cleaning obligations. The security deposit plays a crucial role in this situation. When tenants leave the property in good condition, they are entitled to receive their full security deposit back. However, if there are damages beyond normal wear and tear, or if the property requires excessive cleaning, landlords may deduct the necessary expenses from the deposit. To prevent legal issues, both landlords and tenants should be familiar with the local laws and regulations regarding cleaning responsibilities. Some states or cities have specific rules about what constitutes normal wear and tear, as well as the responsibilities of both parties. The responsibility for cleaning in between tenants is a shared effort between the tenant and the landlord. Tenants should ensure the property is in good condition upon moving out, while landlords are responsible for more extensive cleaning and repairs. By communicating effectively and understanding local laws, both parties can avoid conflicts and maintain a positive rental experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.